Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add a viewer on monday.com. Let's get started. First go to monday.com, log in your account, and this action will lead you to your work dashboard. In here, click on your icon on the top right corner, and this drop-down will appear where you will click on Administration. This will open a new page containing the settings. On the left panel, click on Directory, and this will open more options where you will click on Users. In the Users page, click on Invite on the far right corner, and this pop-up will open. In here, choose the products you want to include in this field. Next, type in the emails of all the people you want to add in the next field, or you also have the option to invite people from your Google Workspace. Next, choose the viewer option here, then click on invite down here. And that is how you can add a viewer on monday.com. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.